Haxnix tunnels provide year-round protection for plants and encourage quicker growth, stronger plants, and a longer cropping season. Ideal for growing salads, fruits, and vegetables, each tunnel is specially designed to provide the perfect environment for plants in every season. As the winter ends, the polytunnel can be used to pre-warm the soil, enabling earlier planting and earlier growth. Moisture is recycled through condensation, ensuring the ideal humidity for healthy plant growth. The high-quality poly acts as a greenhouse, trapping the sun's warmth to encourage early plant growth, and provides a complete barrier to harsh weather, animals, and pests. As the temperature rises in spring, the polytunnel can be replaced with fleece, which continues to warm the air and protects the plants from late frosts and pests, while allowing air, moisture, and sunlight to filter through. The heavyweight fleece also prevents sun scorching on hotter days. Haxnix's patented concertina design allows easy access to the plants for weeding, watering, and picking, and the drawstring end on all tunnels is designed to open easily and provide extra ventilation on warmer days, producing healthier crops. Tests by independent gardening magazines have shown that using Haxnix tunnels can bring cropping forward by 6 weeks. In the heat of summer, the fleece should be replaced with the Easy Net, which provides shading from strong sunlight, conserves moisture in the soil, and most importantly protects your healthy crops from harsh weather and all manner of animals and pests. The fleece tunnel can be used again in the autumn, extending the cropping season as the weather cools, meaning more homegrown salads, fruits, and vegetables for weeks after the traditional end of the growing season. The ultrafine micromesh offers the ultimate protection from animals and pests, from rabbits through to the smallest of airborne insects, such as carrot fly, root fly, and aphids. The Giant Tunnel range provides all-round protection and the perfect growing environment for larger plants or a double row of crops. All tunnels are available as Giants. The heavy-duty fabrics and rust-proof steel hoops are designed to last and to be reused year after year. Easy to assemble, easy to use, easy to store. Easy tunnels are the year-round solution for quicker growth, stronger plants, and a longer cropping season. The original and best-growing tunnels, designed for gardeners by gardeners. Easy Tunnels. Another better design by Haxnix.